cataracts and glaucoma, two words no one wants to hear from their eye doctor. But what if there was a way to stop these conditions before they even begin? No surgery, no risky medications, no expensive treatments. Dr. Neal Adams has revealed 3 specific proteins that could help you do just that. Even better, he's explained exactly how these proteins work to protect your vision. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through everything you need to know. 1. Meat. Meat often gets a bad reputation when it comes to health, but when chosen and prepared right, it's an excellent source of nutrients for your eyes. One of the key nutrients found in meat is carnitine, which plays a big role in keeping your eyes energized. Your retina, the part of your eye that captures light and sends signals to your brain, needs a lot of energy to function. Carnitine helps meet this demand, ensuring your retinal cells stay healthy and don't burn out over time. While carnitine can also be found in smaller amounts in milk and seafood, meat contains some of the highest amounts, making it a great way to keep your eyes energized. Another powerful nutrient in meat is taurine, an amino acid that's absolutely essential for your retina. Taurine protects your retinal cells from oxidative stress, which is a type of damage caused by harmful molecules in your body. Over time, this stress can contribute to both cataracts and glaucoma. By neutralizing these molecules, taurine helps your retina stay clear and functional. It also strengthens the membranes of your retinal cells, preventing degeneration and prolonging their health. Taurine is also found in milk and seafood, but meat remains one of the most reliable sources. And then there's vitamin B12, which is crucial for your optic nerve. The optic nerve is like the communication line between your eyes and your brain, and it needs proper nourishment to work well. A serving of lean meat, such as chicken or turkey, provides a hefty dose of B12, which helps protect your optic nerve from damage. This is particularly important for people at risk of glaucoma, as optic nerve damage is a major part of the condition. While B12 can also be found in seafood and eggs, meat is a leading source of this essential nutrient. Meat also gives you a protein boost, which is important for building and repairing tissues in and around your eyes. If you need additional protein, combining meat with plant-based sources like beans and nuts can help round out your diet. If you're including meat in your diet, lean options like chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are your best bet. These cuts provide the eye-friendly nutrients without the downsides of excessive fat. For cooking, grilling, baking, or broiling are great choices that help retain the nutrients while keeping the meal healthy. So, adding a portion of meat to your weekly meals is a simple way to give your eyes the support they need. 2. Eggs. Eggs are small, affordable, and packed with nutrients that are great for your eyes. One of the standout nutrients in eggs is choline, which you'll find in amounts of about 300 milligrams in a 4-ounce serving. Now, choline plays a vital role in maintaining the structure of your eye cells, especially in the retina. It ensures that the cells can properly process light and send clear signals to your brain. In short, choline helps your eyes function at their peak. Another important nutrient in eggs is vitamin A. Each serving contains around 600 IU of this nutrient, which is essential for maintaining the health of your cornea, the transparent front part of your eye. Vitamin A also helps your eyes produce rhodopsin, a protein that lets you see in low light conditions. If you've ever struggled to see in dim light, it could be due to a lack of vitamin A. Beyond night vision, this vitamin also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your lenses from oxidative damage that can lead to cataracts. Eggs are also rich in selenium, with about 40 micrograms per serving. Selenium acts like a shield for your eyes, neutralizing harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals can damage the lens of your eye, leading to cloudiness and cataracts. By reducing this oxidative stress, selenium plays a key role in keeping your vision clear and sharp. Scientists generally consider selenium from natural sources, like eggs, safe, as it falls within a healthy range. Eggs also contain trace amounts of vitamin D, 60 international units, and vitamin B2, 0.6 milligrams. Vitamin D helps regulate inflammation in your eyes, which is important for preventing glaucoma, while B2 supports healthy blood vessels, ensuring your eyes get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Additionally, eggs provide 2 milligrams of iron per serving and amino acids like arginine, about 1,000 milligrams per serving. Arginine supports the repair and maintenance of the tissues in your eyes, keeping everything strong and functional. Methionine, 400 milligrams, lysine, 1,000 milligrams, and proline, 600 milligrams, are other amino acids found in eggs that contribute to the structural health of your eyes, particularly the muscles that allow them to move. Most people enjoy eggs as a breakfast favorite, which is a great choice, but they're versatile enough to include in any meal. You can have them scrambled, boiled, poached, or baked. For the healthiest option, avoid frying them in oil. Adding 1 or 2 eggs to your daily diet is a simple yet effective way to nourish your eyes. 3. Fish. If there's one food your eyes will thank you for, it's fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, fish is a great source of nutrients for maintaining and protecting your vision. DHA is a major component of the retina, and it plays a key role in keeping it healthy. Salmon is the focus here, with a 4-ounce serving providing an impressive 1,600 milligrams of DHA. This helps your retina function efficiently and protects it from degeneration, which is a leading cause of vision problems as we age. Trout is another fantastic option, offering about 600 milligrams of DHA per serving. Sardines and anchovies are also great sources, with sardines providing 600 milligrams and anchovies delivering a whopping 1,500 milligrams per serving. While sardines and anchovies are often canned, making them less ideal for some, they remain excellent choices for DHA if fresh options aren't available. Other fish like haddock, flounder, sole, and shrimp provide smaller amounts of DHA, around 150 milligrams per serving, but still contribute to overall eye health. Shrimp and salmon also contain astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives these foods their reddish-pink color. Astaxanthin protects the retina from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributors to glaucoma and cataracts. Wild-caught salmon is particularly rich in astaxanthin, while farm-raised salmon often contains synthetic carotenoids like canthaxanthin, which can accumulate in the retina. Choosing wild-caught options is best for your eyes. Fish also contain smaller amounts of antioxidants like glutathione and alpha-lipoic acid, which help protect the lens of the eye from becoming cloudy, a key factor in cataracts. Additionally, the high-quality protein in fish supports the repair and maintenance of your eye tissues, ensuring that your eyes remain strong and healthy. To get the most out of fish, aim to include it in your meals 3 to 4 times a week. Baking or grilling fish is the best way to preserve its nutrients while keeping your meal healthy. Stick to options like salmon, trout, haddock, and flounder, and avoid high-mercury fish like tuna and swordfish. By adding fish to your diet, you're giving your eyes the omega-3s and antioxidants they need to thrive. Your eyes are one of the most hardworking parts of your body, and they need the right nutrients to stay healthy. Meat, eggs, and fish provide a unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to prevent and heal eye conditions like cataracts and glaucoma. By making these foods a regular part of your meals, you're not just feeding your body, you're investing in your vision for years to come. And trust me, your eyes will thank you for it. Thank you for watching. If you're craving more wellness wisdom, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for weekly uploads.